In this video, I'll show you how to install Ventoy on Linux, but here's the catch. I'm actually using Windows, so I'll guide you through the process in a way that still makes sense, even if I can't run the commands directly on my system. So first, you'll need to download Ventoy's Linux version, so go to the ventoy.net, so make sure it's official, and then click on the downloads and grab the latest Ventoy for Linux package. So if you're on a window like me, you can just save the file. We won't run it in here, but I'll explain how you'd proceed on a Linux system. So, once the installation is complete on Linux, you'd extract the Ventoy package using the command in the terminal. So I'll put it on the screen. So this is the command. So this unpacks the files into a folder. So if you're on Windows like me, you can just imagine this happening in the Linux terminal. So before installing Vento, you need to find your USB driver's device name. So on Linux, you can open the terminal again and run this code that I will show on the screen. So basically, this lists all connected drivers. So your USB should be something like dev STB or dev SDC. So if I were on Linux, I'd show you, but since I'm on Windows, just pretend we're checking the drivers or drive there. So once you have the correct USB drive name, install the Ventoy, and then after that, after installation, you can verify that Ventoy is working by running. And that's how you install Ventoy on Linux. So if you're using a Windows, I may not have run these commands myself, but hopefully this guide helps you understand the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.